Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. I thought with this coronavirus epidemic that is forced all of us to stay at home and effectively have a lot of time available that we didn't have. How about if we give you some tips as part of the Happy Strong Family team? Say, how do we spend all this time that we have? As I mentioned in the other video, Salah, prayer. Number two, our ability to do some of the things that we've always wanted to do. For example, memorization of the Quran or re-establishing our relationship with Allah by doing our Salah, our prayer in time. A number three thing could be connecting with our family. Many fathers and mothers sometimes are disconnected from their children. And the reason is because they're so busy with their lives. When they do come home in the evenings, they're exhausted. They really have no connection or indeed the energy to want to stay connected with their family. Without any intention, Allah has given us the opportunity to become reconnected with our families. We can talk with them, we can laugh with them, we can even share some common hobbies, for example. Children love to have their parents share things with them. This applies to not so young and young children. We can reconnect as a family. We can sit around the table and talk about past memories. We can talk about what we are really fond of. What would we really like to do? We can help clean the home. We can declutter the house. We can also take part in physical exercise together. There's so many things we have the opportunity to do in this forced vacation. What we should not do is, however, feel frustrated, feel unhappy, feel like it's been forced down our throats without any choice. That creates frustration and negativity. We want to use this time in the very best way. So just remember, time for us is like money, although I think it's more than money. I think it is something that can't be replaced by anything at all. I encourage all of you, inshallah, to use this time well. I'll summarize quickly. Reestablish your connection with God. Reestablish your connection with human beings, particularly the family that's close to you. And last, which I didn't mention earlier, is establish relationship with your neighborhood. This particularly applies to elderly neighbors who may not have a methodology of getting to the stores to buy groceries, etc. I hope, inshallah, this is helpful. Assalamu alaikum.